Student, this is chapter number 2, System of Real Numbers, Radical and Exponent. In this video, I will give the introduction of this chapter, System of Real Numbers, Exponent and Radicals. So, System of Real Numbers means के numbers which are rational and irrational. Exponents means के power, the number which have power, this is exponent, and radical, the sign of a root. So, first I want to explain the some numbers, which are numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. Natural numbers denoted by capital N. These numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on continuously. Natural numbers are used for a counting. The numbers starting from the 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Whole numbers denoted by W, capital W, and these numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The natural numbers and whole numbers, both numbers are positive integers. Integers denoted by Z, which started from 0 and have both numbers, positive and negative numbers. We can write in both form. Whole numbers starting from 0 but only in a positive form. Natural numbers starting from 1 but only in a positive form. And integer is started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 but have numbers in a both positive and negative. Rational numbers. Q is equal to x such that x is equal to p upon q, where p, q belongs to integer. P and Q means के integer positive or negative. Q is not equal to 0 means कि we don't have Q is equal to 0. If we have Q is equal to 0, so it means we have infinity. So for example 0.5, we can write rational number in a fraction forms, means के 0.5 equal to 1 upon 2 and 0.025 is equal to 1 upon 40, 0.25 is equal to 1 upon 4, 0.333 is equal to 1 upon 3. We can write them in a fraction form, means we can write them in a upon form, divided form. These numbers are rational numbers which we can write in a fraction form. Irrational numbers, q dash is equal to x such that x is not equal to p upon q, where pq belongs to integer and q is not equal to 0. The condition is same as the rational numbers. Q is not equal to 0, because if we have q is equal to 0, so it means we have infinity. Irrational numbers are those numbers which we cannot write, which we cannot write in a fraction form, means के which the numbers which we cannot written in a upon form, means के 4.314235 and so on. We cannot write these numbers in a upon form, means के in a divided form, in a fraction form. These are irrational numbers because they cannot be written into fractions. Rational numbers we can write a numbers in a fraction form, and irrational number we cannot write written a number in a fraction form. Set of real numbers. Union of the set of rational numbers q and irrational numbers q dash, called the set of real numbers denoted by r. Capital R denoted by real number is equal to q union q dash. Q rational and q dash irrational, means के real number equal to union of a rational and irrational numbers. Or R is equal to x such that x belongs to rational, means के q, or x belongs to irrational, means के q dash. The sets q and q dash are disjoint sets, means के in a rational numbers or in a irrational numbers we have a both rational and irrational numbers in a different set. Okay, q has a different set of elements and q dash, which is irrational, has a different set of elements. Properties of real numbers. Properties with respect to addition. Closure property. Sum of any two real numbers is also a real numbers. Sum of any two numbers is also a real numbers. So if we add x plus y, so we get the answer. This is also a real numbers. Means के 16 and 24. So 16 plus 24 is equal to 40. 16 and 24 both are real numbers and we get the 40 answer. This is also a real number. Commutative property. X plus y is equal to y plus x. For all x, y belongs to real number. Example is 2.6 plus 7.2. We add x plus y or we add y plus x. In both condition we get the same answer. Means के root 2 plus root 3 or we add root 3 plus root 2. In both condition we get the same answer. Associative property. In associative property we have three values. For all x, y, z belongs to real numbers. Okay, condition we have x plus in a bracket y plus z is equal to x plus y in a bracket plus z. If we add y plus z first and then we add x, or if we add x plus y first and then we add z, in both condition we get the same answer. Means के 5 plus 7 plus 8. First if we add 7 plus 8 and then we add 5, so we get the answer 20. Or if we add 5 plus 7 and then we add 8, so we also get the answer 20. In both condition we get the answer 20. In commutative property we work on two values. In associative property we work on three values. So this is the difference between commutative property and associative property. Next is additive identity. In additive identity we have x plus 0 is equal to x. If we add any value with a 0, so we get the same value which we have. Means के x plus 0 means के we have a value, some value in a x, and if we add x with 0, so we get the same x. For example 0.4 which is x plus 0 means के 0.4 plus 0 is equal to 0.4. If we add x plus 0, so we get the x, or if we add 0 plus x, so we also get the x. Additive inverse. For every x belongs to real number, x we have a value, some value, there exists an element. Inverse of x means के x bar belongs to real numbers, such that x plus x bar is equal to 0 is equal to x bar plus x. Means we have x and inverse of x both belongs to real numbers. If we add x plus x bar or x bar plus x, so we get the 0. X bar is the additive inverse of x and is denoted by minus x. Example 2 plus inner bracket minus 2. Okay, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, or minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. In additive inverse, if we write the x plus inverse of x, so we get the 0, or if we write the inverse of x plus x is equal to 0. So additive inverse of minus x is x. Properties with respect to multiplication. Closure property. Product of any two real number is also a real numbers. Okay, so if we have two numbers and we multiply them, so we get the answer in a real number. Means 0.6 multiplied by 0.4, both are a real number. If we multiply them, 0.6 multiplied by 0.4, so we get the answer 0.24, which is the real numbers. These are example. Commutative property. X multiplied by y is equal to y multiplied by x. We have two values, x and y. If we multiply first x multiplied by y, or if we multiply y multiplied by x, so in both condition we get the answer, same answer. Example, root 2 multiplied by root 3, so we get the answer under root 6. Or if we multiply under root 3 multiply under root 2, so we get the same answer under root 6. Associative property. Associative property. In associative property we have three values x, y and z. If we first multiply y multiplied by z and then we multiply x, or if we first multiply x multiplied by y and then we multiply z, so in both condition we get the same answer. In associative property we have, if we first multiply y and z and then we multiply x, or if we multiply x and y and then we multiply z, so we in both condition we get the same answer. Multiplicative identity. There exists a number 1 belongs to real number such that on additive identity we have the condition x plus 0 is equal to x, and in multiplicative identity we have a condition x multiplied by 1 is equal to x. If we multiply x multiplied by 1 or if we multiply 1 multiplied by x, in both condition we get the answer the same, which is equal to x. Example is under root 5 multiplied by 1, which is equal to under root 5. If we multiply under root 5 multiplied by 1, or if you multiply 1 multiply under root 5, in both condition we get the same answer, which is equal to under root 5. So multiplicative identity is x multiplied by 1, which is equal to x. Multiplicative inverse. For each x belongs to real number, x is not equal to 0, there exists an element x bar belongs to real number such that x multiplied by inverse of x, or x inverse multiplied by x is equal to 1. The element x inverse is called the multiplicative inverse of x. It is also written as 1 upon x or x minus 1. The element x bar is called multiplicative inverse of x. It is also written as 1 upon x or x inverse. For example, 5, that is 1 upon 5 is the multiplicative inverse of 5, and 5 is the multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 5. Distributive property of multiplication with respect to addition. We have x in a bracket y plus z, which is equal to x multiplied by y plus x multiplied by z. In this property we have both sign, addition and multiplication, for all x, y, z belongs to real number. For example, we can see the example, if we first add x and y then we multiply z, or if we multiply x multiplied by y or y multiplied by z and then we add, so in both condition we get the same answer. Students, these all are the properties, set of real numbers, properties of real numbers. I hope you all are understand all the things, real numbers, exponents and radicals. So real numbers are rational and irrational numbers, exponents means power, and radicals the sign of a root. So with this video I upload another video. On that one video I solve the questions related to this exercise.